Mazda knows that every driver wants to personalize their Mazda to their specific preferences. Preferences like favorite contacts, radio stations, and destinations, as well as door lock options, adjusting safety sensitivity and warnings, and adjusting the speed of voice recognition prompts. Let's start with adding a favorite contact. Use the Favorites or Star button next to the Commander knob to access your favorite lists. You'll see radio, communication, and navigation. Select Communication. Select Add Edit Communication Favorite. You can add 50 contacts to your favorite list. You also have the options to delete contacts, change the order of the list, or change the name of a favorite. It's just as easy to add favorite radio stations and destinations into the system. Your Mazda also lets you add a contact address to your favorites list. Just select Name of Contact to be added. Next, let's look at how you can personalize an important safety feature on your Mazda: the door locks. Start by selecting Vehicle, then select Door Locks. Personalizing the door lock settings gives you the ability to control when the car is locked or in unlocked mode. Go into Auto Lock mode and you'll see 5 options ranging from Turn Auto Lock Off to Lock when shifting from Park to Unlock in Park. Select the option that fits your driving style and hit OK. With Unlock mode, you can select to unlock all doors with one touch, or unlock the driver's door with one touch, all other doors with 2 touches. You can also set your auto relock time. Lock in the beep volume that controls the volume of the horn when you lock the car with your Mazda key fob. And depending on your Mazda model, there's a walk-away lock option that automatically locks the car when you walk away. On your Mazda, you can enhance the convenience and safety when your system is configured to your preferences. You can customize distance recognition, smart city brake support, forward obstruction warning, rear view monitoring volume, blind spot monitoring volume, lane departure warning system. Start by selecting Settings on the home screen, then select the Safety tab. Let's select Distance Recognition Support System. You have the option to turn distance recognition on or off. Let's say you want to adjust the distance sensitivity. Press Warning Distance and then select Far, Medium, or Near. By pressing Reset, you'll restore to the default settings. Your Mazda has a great sound system, so while you may want to crank up the volume, you'll still want to hear your alerts, like the blind spot monitoring volume. Start by selecting Settings on the home screen, then select the Safety tab. Choose Blind Spot Monitoring Volume. You'll see High, Low, and you have the option to turn the volume off. You may also want to turn off the beep on the Smart City Brake Support. Once again, we'll start by selecting Settings on the home screen. Then you'll go under the Safety tab where you'll see Smart Brake Support / Smart City Brake Support. Choose it and then scroll down to Warning Volume. You can choose between High, Low, or Off. The last thing we'll look at is the speed of the voice recognition. We'll start at Settings and move over to the System tab. Select it and you'll see voice recognition examples. We've made it very intuitive for you to personalize the safety features on your Mazda to your exact specifications in just a few steps. This lets you bring your Mazda to life exactly the way you want it.